Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're here in a Chery Tiggo Pro Max, and whenever if you have questions about how to enable to add more apps into your car radio screen like Disney, Kayo, etc. So I'm going to show you is the App2Car MMB11 new version, which also supports a SIM card, so you can put a SIM card on it to connect to the internet, and also support more memory through TF card. And it's a plug and play device, easy to use. Just gonna show you how it works. It's just plugging in the USB port of your car radio, and this device is gonna enable you to install and use multiple apps like a multimedia adapter with Disney, Kayo, Netflix. Very easy to use, and the interface is really nice. We make it very special and unique for you guys to use it and operate. So we expect this device to cost a lot of likes in the media. So it's coming up, and you're going to see the ones is selected, and it's going to become green, and the new screen is going to show you the adapter. It's going to show you the new multimedia interface in your Chery. And if you unplug, it's going back to normal. So you have here Disney, Netflix, YouTube, and this little dongle to connect to your mobile phone wirelessly, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and of course a stable wireless CarPlay as well. So if you have issues connected with wireless CarPlay, this device is gonna make it nice and easy. And more apps you can download and you can install, and these screens are customizable, so you can put your favorite apps here from any, so you can easily find your app, and also has GPS, so you can use the GPS inbuilt into the system. So plug and play, easy to use, the multimedia adapter from Smart World, so you can watch movies really fast and easy, as you can see. And also connect with your mobile phone, very straightforward, as you can see here. It's connecting wireless CarPlay, and second is going to be showing you wireless CarPlay connected. So straightforward, easy to use, and available on our website. So here we go, wireless CarPlay ready with the App2Car MMB11 to solve wireless connectivity issues in your Chery. Works better and faster than cable, and you will have access to all your iPhone CarPlay apps, maps, music, calls, all the apps, and no more issues with CarPlay. And if you want to find more solutions for Chery, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com, and happy to help you.